Welcome everyone. Today we are taking a closer look at the Denon PMA-600NE Bluetooth stereo amplifier, a compact yet powerful home audio solution that delivers a refined sound experience. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this amplifier at the best price. The Denon PMA-600NE is designed to bring exceptional sound quality into your living room without overwhelming your space. Its divided circuitry allows you to disengage digital circuits, including Bluetooth, giving you a completely analog listening experience when desired. This is perfect for audiophiles who want the purest sound from vinyl or traditional CD players. Its slim, vibration-resistant enclosure not only looks clean and modern but also reduces interference, letting every note stay crisp and detailed. This amplifier provides 70 watts per channel at 4 ohms, which is enough to drive a wide range of speakers effectively. Denon's advanced high-current push-pull circuit ensures your music comes through with both power and clarity, balancing high output with precise musical detailing. Whether you're enjoying a quiet jazz track or an energetic rock playlist, the PMA-600NE maintains a rich, immersive audio experience. Connectivity options are also versatile. It includes Bluetooth support for seamless streaming from your smartphone, plus 2 optical inputs, 1 coaxial input, and a phono input for your turntable. The built-in DAC ensures that both digital and analog sources are accurately reproduced. Denon's more than a century of experience in high-grade audio components is evident in the build quality and performance, making this a long-lasting investment for any home audio setup. NO product is perfect. While the PMA-600NE does not have built-in Wi-Fi or multi-room support, it focuses on delivering excellent sound quality at a reasonable price. The clean, minimalist design means it fits easily into most home environments without dominating the room. If you're looking for an amplifier that balances power, precision, and versatile connectivity, the Denon PMA-600NE is an excellent choice. Make sure to check the link in description below to grab this amplifier at the best price and elevate your home audio experience with Denon's trusted performance.